Welcome to TFRCC TV, the Faithfully Rising Christian Community, a Catholic spiritual content channel dedicated to reflections, masses, adorations, gospel music, documentaries, and more. Our content is created for the Catholic community worldwide. While our platform is open to all, please be aware that the material presented here is exclusively intended for Catholics. We hold respect for all beliefs and do not seek to offend or convert followers of other religions. Thank you for joining us on our spiritual journey.
The first example we have is C.S. Lewis, the famous English author. He himself was an atheist who became Christian later on, and he realized that Jesus wasn't a founder of a religion or a man of wisdom. But he said, either this man was and is the Son of God, or else a madman or something worse. Next, we have the example of Blessed Charles the Foucault, who said, I have lost my heart to this Jesus of Nazareth who was crucified 1900 years ago, and I spent my life trying to imitate him. Yet, our Pope Francis says, we have no other Lord but him, Jesus, the humble King of justice, mercy, and peace. So what does it mean that Jesus is the Lord? It means that everything is in His hands. Space and time, heaven and earth, everything and everyone is His. Jesus Christ the Lord is more powerful than any president and more important than any celebrity. He is the Lord of your life. So my dear children, let us develop this confidence in Jesus. There will be many times, many instances in our life where we will lose hope, where people will tell us you cannot do it. But let us go to this doctor. Dr. Albert Schweitzer, a famous doctor and a missionary who has spent his life in missions, he says, in every one of us there is a doctor. We are like patients and there's a doctor. But hardly we give that doctor a chance to practice his profession. Yes, the doctor is Jesus, who waits for us to ask his help. And once we approach him, he will give us that confidence that we need.